Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my okra soap recipe. Yes, you heard me, okra. Okra isn't just great in the kitchen. Okra is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that nourish and brighten your skin. So here I just cooked the okra. The only thing I did was, wash my okra. This is fresh okra. Wash my okra, cooked my okra until it became soft, and then blend my okra. Now I'm trying to extract the natural juice, all right, from the okra. Now this slimming gel is what makes okra so valuable in soap. It acts as a natural moisture, okay. It adds creaminess to the lather and helps hydrate the skin. Once the okra is cooked and cooled, you can blend it and take out the juice just like I'm doing here, and then mix it into your soap. Now you can't wait to have this okra soap on your skin. This is a very, very nice soap. You can't wait to have it on your skin. So see how smooth and beautiful our okra is looking. No shafts. Here I am mixing my honey, a little bit of honey, like half teaspoon of honey inside a little bit of water. Honey helps moisturize, heal and soften the skin. At this stage, I am getting my powders ready. So this is lemongrass. I'm going to be using half teaspoon in this recipe. Now, the general rules when you're using powders and clay in your soap is that you use between 1 to 5% of your total oil weight. Now, for this recipe, don't worry. I'm going to include the full recipe in the description below. All right. The full recipe is going to be in the description below. Now at this stage, I am measuring out my Kaolin clay. Kaolin clay is gentle cleansings. It is smooth and add creaminess to the soap. Now we are going to be using half teaspoon of Kaolin clay. We are also going to be using activated charcoal powder. Now guys, don't forget to like and share. Selina's Empire tutorial will be launching this September. Now please keep an eye out for it. If you are interested in learning soap making, graphic designs, video editing, how to run ad for your business, this is actually for you. We'll be launching this month of September. Please keep an eye out for it. If you are still watching, please like and subscribe. Next, I want to mix my caustic soda with water. Now, please, whenever you want to mix your caustic soda, always pour your caustic soda inside the water and never the other way around. Don't ever pour water inside caustic soda, as the result could be fatal, okay? It could harm you, it could harm your skin, and it could be dangerous for your health. Now next, I love mixing my Kaolin clay and other powders with a little bit of oil before adding them to the soap. This prevents clumps, helps the powders to blend smoothly, and keeps the final soap texture silky. Our oil is down to 40.3 degrees Celsius, which is perfect for this recipe. We're going to be transferring it into the mixing cup. And the light caustic soda is down to 37.7 degrees Celsius, which is perfect. Now at this stage, I'll be combining the caustic soda with the oil. Don't worry, the full recipe is in the description below. You can always copy it. Now I'm just going to be mixing it for the next 1 to 2 minutes. All right, just continue to mix it for the next 1 to 2 minutes. Next, our okra puree is going in. Now we're just going to be mixing the okra together with the soap. Okay, we're mixing the okra puree with our oil and our caustic soda. Now at this stage, I'm going to be pouring in my honey. Okay, I'll be pouring in my honey. Don't forget that we already mixed the honey with a little bit of water. Other soap makers actually use honey without mixing it with water. But for me, I always love to mix my honey with a little bit of water. And next, I'll be going in with my essential oils. Now we are using tea tree oil and also lavender oil. I love tea tree oil for its antibacterial power. okay, and lavender for its smoothing and calming effects. Before I pour the kaolin clay into the main soap batter, I take out a small portion of the soap and mix the clay into it first. Now this ensures even distribution. I'm going to be using my electric blender to blend it in for about 30 seconds. I'm doing this for even distribution. I love doing this before combining it into my soap. Now I am transferring the kaolin clay back into the soap batter, and then I'm going to be mixing it all together. I'm just going to be mixing it well. You can see the color is changing. The color is changing. I'm just going to be mixing it well, okay? Now, something you should take mindful of. Don't use okra for melt and pouring. Now, this is cold process, okay? Now, I am dividing my soap into 3 cups. Now, 1 part with activated charcoal powder, which helps detoxify. Another with lemongrass. Lemongrass is known for its antibacterial benefits and refreshing scent. Now, the last cup is empty. I am transferring the soap into the last cup before easy pouring. After mixing, pour your soap into the mold. You can usually unmold your soap after 24 to 48 hours, depending on your recipe and room temperature. Finally, don't forget your soap needs to cure for 4 to 6 weeks before using or selling. Curing allows excess water to evaporate, makes the bar harder, ensures they last longer, and makes the soap gentle and safe on the skin. Now guys, don't forget to like and share. Selina's Empire tutorial will be launching this September. Now please keep an eye out for it. If you are interested in learning soap making, graphic designs, video editing, how to run ads for your business, this is actually for you. We'll be launching this month of September. Please keep an eye out for it. If you are still watching, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.